Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all, but before going to the video I thought I just kind of talk to each other and just like my daily routine. What is it? So usually I don't post a lot of videos because of my son, but now as he started going to nursery, I have a bit of a spare time at my hand. So right now he's not at home, he's in nursery, so that's why I have like 2 hour window in between. So in that time what I do is I set up my table, all my art supplies, and I start painting. So before painting I thought I just let you see what I where I paint, and what is my art station does it look like. So usually it's super messy, but just because I was about to post this video, I just cleaned it up a bit. And let me show you the art station where I does my painting. It's not a very good one, for show you around my house properly, but I'll show you. As I don't know, many of you knows that I live in UAE, Dubai, and let's just see where do I live. Yeah, that's my window scene, and see, the window is pretty much dirty. The building has not cleaned it for so long, and but this is what I see when I paint. So I'll just show you the place where I paint most of the time. It's like a storeroom, come my art working station, come my husband's office. So it's everything. So I'll just show you around. So this is the wall that I made with all the paintings which were just lying around my house and has no other option or place to keep. So I just put them there and together, and now it looks so nice. I love it. And there is one down there. It just fell from that portion over there. It just keep falling down. I don't know why. Okay, so this is my couch where I sit, and this is the place where I mostly paint. And so this used to be my husband's office when he was doing the home work from home, but now he went office back to office, so now it's mine again. So these are some of my paintings that I hang there, and these are my cupboard where I keep my art supplies and all that, drawing books and my canvases. So there are some extra canvases that I have, so, and all my drawing books. So this place over here is specifically for my paints, and this is something that I painted. This is made with the clay, and I'll show you. So these I have like tons and tons of stationery, colors, and so many things, and it's so super messy. I need to clean this someday. Not today. This is how it looks now. Ta-da! Okay, so I always keep few extra canvases in case some idea just pop into my mind and I want to paint. So I always have some extras. And see, this painting I recently did, and I put a post on Instagram for this, and a reel as well, and the reel is about like 50k views right now. The side is made up of air dry clay, and this is on a board, MDF board. Okay guys, so that's it. That's where I do my paintings and everything. And for today, let's get started with the painting that we're gonna do. It's a ceramic plate painting, and we're gonna have lots of fun, and you will love this DIY. So this is what we're gonna do today. It's a mirror come a wall decor, so whatever you want to make it. So it's a ceramic plate that I painted on, and I stick a round mirror in the middle. So let's see how I painted this plate. So if you will like ceramic plate painting, so this is what I did, and I posted this on Instagram as well. So as you can see, this is a plate. So if you like to paint the ceramic plates, so this tutorial is for you, and just let me know in the comment section if you want a tutorial for this as well. So let's just move on and see how I prepared the plate. So I first, what I did, I used some, clay slurry on the base, and then later on I painted it with some gesso. So that bumpy structure that you're seeing, that is some clay mixed with water. So I just made a slurry and just put a thin layer onto it, and then cover it with some gesso. And so now it's perfectly primed. So make sure the surface is quite clean and without any bumps or the residue of clay. So this is the second plate that I'm doing. So I just learned something in the first plate paint that I painted. So now you can easily, draw anything on top of this rough surface of the ceramic. Otherwise, without this surface, you cannot draw directly on the plate. So now you can take your pencil and draw whatever you want. And because I want to stick it in the middle, I just kind of make some circle around it, so that I'll know that I'm not gonna draw anything in middle of this circle over here, and just mark it, and then move on to making your drawing whatever you want to paint it on. So I just chose some very simple design, like a mandala kam madhubani type of design, very simple ethnic design, Indian design. So it's totally up to you, whatever you want to choose. You can make some elephants or peacock, or even Raja Rani, something like that. So which totally up to you. So, or even you can choose my design as well. And if you do choose my design, you can tag me in your post on Instagram and just let me know that you recreated my work. Okay, so just let's get started with the whole design. So this is what I drew, a quite simple design, very simple. So now I'm gonna choose few colors. So I'm choosing three colors here: turquoise, bright pink color, or neon pink you can say, and some orange. So you can also choose yellow, red and green as well. So the idea here for these colors is to make it more eye appealing and vibrant and catchy colors that usually we see in Indian art style. And whenever you are making it for your wall decor, just keep it in mind that Indian decor, art decor, is mostly colorful and vibrant. So I'm just keeping that in my mind, and then I'm trying to make it as vibrant as possible. So if you have ceramic colors or paint which are a little bit costlier side, so you can choose to skip all that priming and then just paint it with the ceramic paint, and you can just just put it in the oven, and then it will set. And you can also use that for eating purposes also. But this plate, just keep it in mind, just don't eat through this. This is a wall decor, and don't use acrylic colors and then use it for eating and usual kitchen purposes. No, it's just a wall painting, so we are just painting it for a decor purpose only, not for eating purposes. Okay, just keep that in mind, please. They are not the acrylic colors are not will not stay for long if you will keep washing it with the water and scrubbing it with some scrubber. So just keep that in mind. So when you will finish painting the basic colors on the background, you can now just move on to coloring the borders with the black. I'm using here with the black color is the what do you call this? The paint marker, the acrylic paint markers, and I'm using my 3D outliners to make some outlines inside the petals with some white color. And 3D liners are the best. So then I'm gonna use some gems and the rhinestones here and there to stick it in between the petals and make it more dazzly, and give it some dazzle bling you can say. So it will look much prettier. So keep the ideas in your mind, whatever you have, they will just come to life. You can choose so many different kinds of 3D outliners, some designs and rhinestone gems, and even mirrors. So there are lots and lots of different options that you can go with this one, and it will definitely look marvelous, and you won't regret it. Please do try this, and you won't regret a bit. It'll be worth every hour and every second that you wasted on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Let it dry so that the beads and the gems doesn't fall off. And then the last part here is to stick our mirror into the middle. So either you can stick it on some, like a foam base, like that it has. But I didn't like this because the mirror was quite, above the plate, and you can see that unfinished edges. So that's why I stick it directly onto the plate. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm gonna cover this edge over here with some sparkle or the gems, and this is what is my final result looks like. And I hope you liked it, and if you did, please guys give me a huge thumbs up. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you loved the video, and if you did, please give me a huge thumbs up. And if you like this kind of videos, do you want me to appear in my videos more often, please let me know in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye, see you next week.